Tucson is a great destination for travelers, journeyers like us. With so many interesting and beautiful things to see and do. It is the home of the U of A, the college I went to back in the 70s. So many fond memories. It is also where I started my firefighting career. Did I mention that Linda McCartney studied art history here? But we've come here this week to check out the Saguaro National Monument. Did you know that there was an east, the larger, and a west park? The west being in the Tucson Mountains, both with cacti, but each with its own ecosystem. Our park for this week is just outside of town and offers everything we need to be comfortable during our stay and exploration of Tucson and the surrounding areas. In 1933, then-President Herbert Hoover used the powers of the Antiquities Act to establish the original park, Saguaro National Monument, in the Rincon Mountains in 1961.
So I want to go in and see what's... This is Saguaro National Park East.
President JFK, John Fitzgerald Kennedy, added the Tucson Mountain District West Side to the monument and renamed the original tract the Rincon District. That's 91,445 acres. It became a national park on October 14, 1994 by Congress. Some of the cacti are as old as 300 years, the tallest being about 54 feet. The roads in the park are mostly one-way, and at the Rincon Park are all paved, hilly and twisty, with lots of turns. Keep your eyes out for the occasional bicyclist, javelina, tortoise, snakes, and many other desert inhabitants. And there are lots of turnouts for pictures along the route.
Now, eventually, you do plan to have
Saguaros.
on your
Saguaro.
tour, right? Hello? Hello?
Human encroachment in the area has decimated the giant cacti. Just look at the difference in these pictures between 1935 and 2010. Now, Linda and Paul McCartney's ranch is located near the Tanque Verde River in the foothills of the Rincon Mountains, northeast of Tucson, near the park. The ranch property is located south of Reddington Road, about a mile or two. We would occasionally get a glimpse of them in town shopping or eating out. For your information, Linda was studying art history at the U of A. Looks like someone was going to try and sneak in an unauthorized stay. Now that is the site of my old fire station, a single-wide trailer, plain Jane pumper, and a 1948 Seagraves as my backup. 36 reserves and me, and that was it for this entire area. The West Park takes about an hour to drive to. and is on the other side of the Tucson mountains. It's easy. Just drive west on Ajo, that's Garlic Road, and then north on Kinney Road and follow the signs. This side has a lot more cacti, saguaro, but the road, the loop, is gravel. It is well maintained and there are a ton of hiking trails to experience here. Both sides of this park have great visitor centers with stamps available for your travel passports. We did find a good spot for some selfies. This has been a flood of old memories for me. School, this desert where I started my firefighting career, and almost everywhere we went, memories were sparked. I have vivid memories of a life and time nearly 50 years beyond. They all seem like yesterday. If you're in the area and have a little time, you might consider making a day trip out of this amazing park system. The last drive for the day is to take Shelley and Grizz to the locals' Lover's Roost, Gates Pass Road, that at sunset has beautiful views of the greater Tucson area. Until then, travel safe. Thought for the day. The difference between past, present, and future is only a stubbornly persistent illusion. Albert Einstein.